Hello fellow gardeners, I'm here in Berkshire in one of the gardens that I maintain, and I'm here at the back of the garden where we put all the leaves and the debris and everything like that, and this is just wonderful. This is gardener's gold, lovely leaf mould here. It's all broken down really beautifully, and I'm going to just start to mulch some of the beds that we have around the garden. And this is it's just so great to put as a mulch at this time of year. Is a good time of year, but some people would say leave it to January, February because some of the nutrients can be leached. But in another way, you can put it on around beds to stop those weeds coming up at this time of year, because with the warm weather we've been having, those weeds can still pop up. So I think, you know, it's nice to put mulch on certain areas at this time of year just to suppress those weeds, and it will still give some great nutrients for that for the soil later on. And as you can see here, like the top of the pile there, and as I've dug in, you've got the different layers just as it's broken down, and this is just gardener's gold. Look at that, full of little worms as well. Fantastic. It's great to be working in such beautiful gardens and getting everything done, putting the garden to bed for the winter really, and doing all the important jobs. So many leaves still to come down, but we think in the next 2 or 3 weeks hopefully most of the leaves will be down and good garden clear up will make it look great. So thank you good people, and please subscribe to our channel to help us along, and we'll speak soon. Thank you.